Today I'm going to be reviewing the Isinwheel U1 14-inch. Finding the perfect balance between portability, power, and price is no easy feat. The Isinwheel U1 is a compact folding electric bike that promises to redefine your daily ride. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. At first glance, the U1 impresses with its sleek, minimalist design. The 14-inch wheels are paired with fat tires, offering a blend of agility and stability. One of the standout features of the Isin U1 is its customizable throttle system with 3 distinct modes: Eco, Standard, and Sport. Riders can easily tailor their riding experience to match their needs. The U1 is equipped with disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, and there's even a rear brake light that is controlled with your brake lever. There's even a kickstand to hold up your bike. The IPX4 water resistance rating ensures durability against splashes and light rain. The 280 watt-hour battery offers a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge, depending on usage and terrain. Charging is swift, taking approximately 3 hours to reach full capacity, ensuring you're ready for your next adventure without long waits. Designed to accommodate a wide range of riders, the U1 supports up to 264 pounds and is supposedly suitable for people between 4'2" and 5'5" in height, according to its manual. Kelly is 5'10" and the stock seat was too low for her here. I purchased and swapped a new seat stem and now it's way more comfortable for her. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for most users, but if you're on the taller side, expect to make some modifications so it suits you. Here is how I replaced the stem on the bike seat. The seat stem is 27.2 millimeters in case you need to order one. First, loosen the seat clamp using an Allen wrench or regular wrench, depending on your mounting equipment. Once it's loose, twist and pull the old seat post out. If it's stuck, a bit of oil and some gentle movement should help. This is the difference between the stock seat stem and the extra seat stem that I have, almost 2 times longer to support the additional height needed. I didn't do it here, but before inserting the new seat post, apply a thin layer of grease to prevent seizing and ensure a smooth fit. Slide the new post in, making sure it goes past the minimum insertion line. As you can see here, I mounted it in the incorrect direction and now the seat is angled up and I have to redo it. The second time's a charm, and you'll find that when you're doing things yourself, mistakes like this happen all the time. A few moments later, I get everything installed the correct way. Align the saddle so it's straight with the frame, then tighten the clamp securely. Lastly, adjust the height and tilt of the seat to your comfort and you're good to go. Whether you're looking to conserve battery, cruise at a comfortable pace, or push the limits of your speed, Eco, Standard, and Sport mode offer the flexibility you need. In Eco mode, you'll notice a smoother, more relaxed acceleration, perfect for longer commutes when you want to maximize your range. Switch to Standard mode and you get a more responsive feel, offering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. But for those who love a burst of speed, Sports mode is where the U1 truly shines. Even without pedaling, the U1's motor kicks in quickly, providing a zippy start. In Sport mode, the bike jumps forward with impressive speed and power, giving you that extra thrill with every twist of the throttle. Powered by a 500-watt motor, the U1 delivers a top speed of 18 miles per hour and can tackle inclines up to 15 degrees with ease. Thanks to its intelligent uphill assistance, it adapts to your pedaling, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride every time. Here, I'm pedaling up a pretty steep hill in my neighborhood, and without pedal assist, it would be virtually impossible to get to the top. The hill is too steep to use the throttle alone, but with the combination of pedaling and pedal assist, I make it to the top comfortably and easily. I did notice that when I went up a few steep hills, my battery drained significantly, and the 25 mile per charge mileage was reduced to about 10 miles per charge. So you have to keep that in mind, and remember that when they say 25 miles per charge, that means only on flat surfaces. The frame folds effortlessly, making storage and portability a breeze, ideal for city dwellers and commuters alike. The U1 folds and fits in my car trunk with no problems. Here's a helpful tip. You can push in and fold down the bike pedals. This helps if you're transporting the bike and need to lay it down in the trunk of your car, or just want it to be more compact for storage. The U1 is great because of its portability. The quick folding mechanism allows you to store it in tight spaces, making it perfect for apartment living or taking on public transportation. Whether you're navigating city streets, tackling gentle inclines, or enjoying a leisurely park ride, I found that the U1 adapts to your journey, offering a comfortable and efficient experience. I liked it so much I bought 2 of them. I got them on Amazon at $270 each, so it was about $300 after taxes. I'll leave an affiliate link below to the bike in the description, in case you don't have one yet and want to get your own. In conclusion, the Isinwheel U1 14-inch stands out as a versatile, affordable, and stylish electric bike. Its blend of performance, portability, and thoughtful design makes it a compelling choice for urban commuters and casual riders alike. If you're in the market for a compact e-bike that doesn't compromise on features or fun, the U1 deserves a closer look. Thanks for watching.